And one misses you. And as some fancy the bread, my son, to the point, sir. I will craft you at the initial and across the community. Not about compliance, Muyan, you may be no say. Niago Dronana, Namanya party with you. And then and there, the baby say, a young woman, a prepare woman, not be said, but when I'm Yadama, Machona, your bag no me cry.
From 2008, Ufra Bemwa, Ekufuado be disua, na or say party. Yamu be kakachere the pape. Money or be good party. Kasa keke. Otine Kazada.
No?
What is all about? If I told you the coffee, you can't say more, no catcher say, what do you mean a party into your party into, and I didn't song or other way that party, where I am people. What you wonder, Ekufuado systematically. Obia no officer or ya watch the tiny no wo yi free party.
I just wanted it.
I saw you are just trying to say to say these bad things. It's not fair. And people fed you, Solomon. And people put food on your table. And people put clothes on your clothes. Let me put it on record. Let me put it on record. Let me put it on record. I have never enjoyed one single
Yes, say osono mienu kunto kwa eye den a grass no na ebre na say akazefo mienu ka so monya issue wona wo ye chairman na umma mi bie wo na webre. Finally after 20 years since the days I can say ended the presidency of John Agyekum Kufuor in 2008, in 2024 to 2025 Papa na say ameno afono no dondono afono tegare inti wakasa Allah wallahi arade kasa mama yedi. Papa na say 20 years ni MPP for muno 1 omo 0 omo muno 3 na wakobu no 2 ala ko du 4 mpo oso ohun amanfo me ungrateful da na MPP ko yeji wono na ono John Agyekum Kufuor ka obi na Andrew Grase be MPP no na ogina mbi wansa na make the gentle jack what do you know, the man that we all called that he had the romantic eyes. Me kai say busy grab by na friend of Kufuor ni because na Kufuor ni de nyankopon sen ka no kre se Kufuor ya branche na obege ho pa dia ye message Abrantia no 10 gram no so wa tira ye didie ni na se bibia so yes na bibia be so na ni so ani go si ya na udanya gopon na ye Ghana girls no fair off. Papa ne say ofri akunyamu as former president Edema Ghana and from the party as an MPP o say udanya gopon. And yen kan katiba en kan bi kati kontonu ye be ye ono nen katie no yesa edi from le di esi nchen se de ko etunku sa awuda de nyankopon yemfa ne nya hwe yemfa ne nya boge ye na be swan na ontia se wanyina bo asasa se MPP take this na yentimi consult no se afi no di 86 na ntekura onuri na ukopimo kamarua pombe akura di 92 o se yemfa ne nko 8 years nka no ni 100 years onu kura timi take decision ema man na onu John Ajekungufu ontia se MPP nko omo next meeting ibi emfriend builder omo take decision enga se openie peninkese we ni jinaya yakoteki o support ya na o support and say what do you mean I say me ho afuno sa na matwam sa mon kan na mi se menye MPP ni before fire rough left right center just obi agene de ne obi agene minka be obi agene chefa ka ba ka ba ko bi John Ajekungufu, former president, His Excellency Papa Wanuham die nku na woye ya onye niye ntia MPP for omomfa boga nya so na mo move back prasi na omo ka MPP asem etiki decision set the party of intellectuals the party that have the men ye body a ye modi nka na men no wo surplus won anase wo no ye minus wo say ye asin Mazibilian me krampo minim papa chire MPP fu mate
anu ani misesio ana so mfanse da brema masa san to the point say akokra fe aduane shana no cross minidi menya no that stage think at least yam mamentibi mate ba kompa simu ye nneema bi na say ni agodoro no na menya party ni bi think am me to any mi hwem so Ghana political party political history you can say UGCC, but if you 47 and 69 was there time nearly power for Ghana. 2 years, 3 months, was there time. Me 69 maybe 30 years and be a member of parliament, be a founding member of Progress Party. 2 years, 3 months, was there I am deputy foreign minister. I jump on 2 years, them senior. The team and the Ashford prison with them 1 year, 3 months. Something that they are causing move behind another detention. But I know I near the building year. From 72 January, I jump on 2 years side, the tradition. There are more power beyond that till 2001. Me am Ukraine departing by power. 2 times Ghana didn't see. And then I better say. Ya wom a prepare wom na bibi se be kona nyame ada o ma me cho na ya ba ignore me kura mente ase
John Ajekungufu, the former president, His Excellency, the former president of Ghana, the year 2000 and then 2008 ano ende ne term ai 2 term no de ma Ghana na ne time no nyane mo bebre ebi ti se HIPIC ebiti say CD rejuvenation ebiti say a friend is saying health insurance ni na no ye policies bi a esi okufo mpenso papa ne say na anu yai in 2024 na po ye campaign obodin wa money yes Kwame Nkrumah and the best president ana according to Napo we are Santini Mapa asantini this year oni Kufuor ni na free abusuya kro ayenim se otumfo ontu enya ho abra Kufuor ntiem bebi Kufuor beko no eho na otumfo gina bebi otumfo betu ni nasi no eho na Kufuor ehwe se papa yi bra pani mentumi nansi hin na eba ne sen ana enne ye ka mampanifo mabu mayabu ni ye ye tra ono ye Kumasini Asantini Mapa sa nkoduru achem koforedua ekoduru efrene sen chebi ede koma na nado dankwa Akufo-Addo nipa nso ode koma no efre mfie frimanchia ni na nyane ya enam na nado dankwa Akufo-Addo ni choice aye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia alanka sheduru papa no nchen o chiache oduru nchen ne wetwam herem Nyalankashi yana me man position. Nyalankashi yana me ne pray. Nyalankashi yana me ka say Mrs. Wa mribi etwo e den ya beduro o be president na. But one support Nyalankashi. And I'm so de nidie any to me e de mamo sefata o mo say. And then the current MPP aban no. Die oye mampani ene kuta akunya no. But papa say ya tune na ne tozo akunya. And na otefon say bram. Na nkwa be ma tintin gram ya otefom sinure nya ko ye MPP. Ndi MPP ba duri. Fonel kufu onkasa, mama kufu akasa. Papa since 2008 me onkasa, uye de onkasa. Uye kufu den onkasa. Na Justin Skodria Frempong, our national friends say general secretary. And the mother NPP, I say Papa, I say one seven now can dear Unyanti I say Obia wisi ho, Obianka so we and for getting swine. Then the crocodile nana say, this boy ye make here. Yen say, Ujaya de pa, Ucheni ye, and yes, you are dear. Papa yen you is a musa, yen fa wisi form. The woman, what say ye pa? I say yen tino. Yen says a own can on crown a bit more decided. I am an affair. Waiting in some Justin Frempong. Kodia, the National General Secretary, Edema MPP, Imwaye, Anuye, our His Excellency, the former President, John Ajekum Kufuor, the man with the sexy eyes.
Sabajana, Sabi, MPP party, no, the under 4th Republic, Openia, Odika, Gitumi Maya, Iraq. Sabi, I don't want why your home, a be bedribiano, hey, say. You want man penny to say Iraq or the dear party and what said the gun and Nimda. And to your not dear party the baby, dear Sebi, the being a free. What share your party constitutional over National Executive Committee, a case all past presidents, a member of National Executive Committee, over National Council, and so can all past presidents account. And to a brave dear partner, you be meeting piano. Sabi will be or come piano, your two suffering. Man Penuco for dear, or no crowd meeting the piano. Over 8, you know, a fur barco Arababos from him, and a fur barco so a dear champon. Chairman meeting piano. Sabi, you did notice no, a man as swaffle nearly.
Okay.
Acknowledge say on can notice. Na video no chairman Rem Kaka. If we say Obobu Sound say enkoda bena sa enkomowi e course. Wan hwe ya wadwe be say bia nwa ya kwampo na Iraqfo. Yes, kasa asimu. Because me no kasa ye nya no Iraqfo kwa oni Ghana asimu. Na question Obobu say why this video and why this time? Anna said video no baby near yetwa. Anna nipa bi dia beto abontin. Chairman ti who video no say wo me boa.
Yeah,
me pese e benya full video no. Kan pa ko no dey ba na ka full video ni nyina e ka ho. Sa video I can tell you chairman say it was even before say ye be launch MPP Patriotic Institute no.
I see.
Na chairman wa won say ye launch Patriotic Institute no. Say Iraqfo be me boa.
Yeah.
You say be obi aya sadlane de then na Patriotic Institute oba sabe kasa. See me ngin say that video no e reflect asempa na Iraqfo ka. E bia no kan say bebre fa party no bra ofi akunya so e bia 2009 when send bebre kwenti en common na ekoso. But I don't think say there's any correlation with say e bia be meetings e be sa. Because meetings there the BSC e bia there. Nemo Sebeya, Ebia, mischief, ni Pebia dream be seen and caution. See, you can't just say, see, you're queer in Mucrano. Meeting be it's a say, man, a swap for Friday. Yeah, but quite an assault. Now, personally, no, you're quite invited.
Now, Oyena Solomon Owusu, already the man of the moment, the magical fingers. Man can't just Solomon Owusu say, if I grow, I want to be like him. Papa Nankasa Rof, na MBB. Who communicate as a sweet, fantastic dialogues are. Anna Mama Nahremon say, Papa no air can say me na Ghana phone pay attention. Maybe can you kafa kufor. Ene kwa faso eyabu MPP ni on the share o studio and Doctors Zato, but as some more kind, very important. Also, if the NPP was managing the economy and the administration very well, some of us will not be thinking of bringing a new party from the NPP. Timini said, no correct, and no correct. No correct. Say there was certain people in the NPP. Our mama said, even after the breakout of Alan Cash, Alan Tramantain, Papa na kwati movement for change. Solomusu dey chile no. What in the but still, according to Solomusu, there might still be a breakout. There's a probability say be a breakout for the MPP. As a amount for be a lie, omo train say the general election because in the NPP on the 31st of January 2026. And cause we say kumkrom na anko into a favor of some of the people that they believe say or maybe MPP nesiwa, then there might be possible breakout. MPP maybe MPP ne pa waduni. Hey, now when in sama Solomon Owusu ekaye edifa His Excellency the former President John Ajekum Kufuor. Or say Papa no or a hypocrite. Any kwa kura se onya no enya aso na onya katrema a moja edima fusane ekasa. And he was not I say na yes Paula Fuko no he. Kwabranya pon no he. Yes Alan Cash no he. Ya say obi awie wan kasa egubuza na ana for the interest of the party. Na for the interest of the party. Wodi yakoka wa hye akunya na se and yemi ofrifi ya se wodi yeme kasama wan nkasama wase wan an nkasama John Ajekum Kufuor abra onim de na ekoso MPP na ye expect no as an elder and a leader na wan ka hwe na adwe ni se koto de na bodwe me bo ayu ende e na sim sebe ye de abra na onsom na onye na mfala abra boni bi eni because the MPP for ye omo an waka no and one of ye ono John Ajekum Kufuor Solomon Owusu etun semile
for serious
how
ala kodala adwe
how
papa echi ho we mbre ni ntino ma me mbum totot na me nkoda me nuam nka from 2008 ofira bemwa Ekufuor do be di so a na o say party no yamu bi kaka kire no se papa mani o be gu party kasa keke otine num kasada
no
ote so gba wada in fact only the coffee ku kan se mo ano aka kire say mo de munim party ni nti o party ni nti ene de na so ade weja party ni ana weja MPP no what you wonder Ekufuor do systematically obi an officer o ye wo wachi tiny no wo yi ni free party ni obo wada ediye na asane. Look, Omono yes and you ma we are edu dia last time UPSC. Yenya brain yenum sa Dr. Mamu ba me omo no ma wasa wabon no na yakwa kofo afiri so wo ti hwi chemu. Wo ba ya dia asem no ka kire wo say man of the destiny. How can you tell us oh my Ghana say ye tie ya ye bobredu sei wo kwa ka asem so be a man of destiny e yo ro ba umia. Ekufuor na kachire ene je na oba be kachire yen say ye friend say ye take decisions ye mfra wa obese me for serious since when I was ye take decision ye mfra that time now kaka so be a man of destiny no
and when never kachire so a man of destiny
kaka buz ala me kachire azansem no obeye no wo ma sound by dachi o free system ni mu a na mo start abo Ekufuor ansa na obeko no o kasa we ye man nya saji we sha record we
na Solomon Owusu wie na o se ko pie mu wo studio bi na We no na MPP ni mapa. Eso te akunyam. Dr. Zato say na wo no wonu say na we former MPP ni. Wo MPP am we enjoy we di good. Alankase je na wa bro bi enwadi. Ene wo nya no condemn MPP. Di obi te say John Adekunkufu ata na say onye serious on. Onye okay. Me MPP am madidi. MPP am ma appointment da. Ya ma minister da, ya ma contract da. Alankase man salary and free in chain o heta ma nkwofo no bia na wo somo no na me di mesika hwe obo no na wo na say show boy the second kine je phone bia na pi mu o se me di mesika MPP fo bi no na wo ni politics machi tama me ba wo krom ho wa ho ana me bo ma John Adekunkufu awi ni about in 2008 no na wo na you no even politics wo nya no be kasa o se policy ya ye twam na wo nya biu na MPP na munye hu de moye na mo hu de moye anka wo sa kan ni kwase wote ya na nsem bi wo am kan basa eso wo bese o kan onya no ye papa we anyway edi we ni sema Solomon Wusu eni za to de face so ne awo TV so na semene ma no be kan ade beti yenko ni gotie mpenefo mieni konfa so di omoti ni konfa so wie achi no
commenting about President Kufuor, etc. But why? I mean, you're a former member of the MPP, even though you're now with a movement for change. Why are you so passionate about what he said?
Roland, I mean, he was the last person I was expecting to come out at this time because, interestingly, he's one of the two people that endeared me to the MPP. But his life after leaving office really is nothing to write about.
But you can't say that about
No, he is the reason why the party has collapsed. He sat down unconcerned when Nana Akufo-Addo was destroying everything. When he spoke to him...
Destroy?
Oh, he has destroyed everything. And always he put up that posture of the gentle giant.
Is he not?
Being gentle does not mean you will sit down for things to degenerate. I mean, Martin Niemöller, what did he say? That they came for the socialists. Nobody was in his aid. Then they went for the Jews. Nobody went into his aid. Then they came for it. Now, whom do you expect to speak for you? They went for Paul Afoko, someone that was legitimately voted for. Did you ever hear a statement from President Kufuor?
Maybe he was trying to be a statesman. What do you think?
What is statement? When an illegality, a crime was being perpetrated by someone who has supported you all his life. You never spoke. You behaved as a gentle giant. Allow them to remove him with impunity.
Perhaps he didn't want to jeopardize the chances of...
Then they went for Kwabena Japan. He sat down, he did not speak.
But he's a great ally.
They went for Alan Chamanti, he kept quiet, he did not speak.
Alan Chamanti.
He has never supported him, make no mistake. That is one thing that has to be cleared. He has never supported Alan. Now they have gone for him, he says I should come to his aid. All those that could have come to your aid, they are all dead and gone. Nobody will come to your defense.
You will not come back to the MPP?
No. As for that one, it's a nonsense.
You never know. Tomorrow is pregnant. Anyway.
They should come join our political party that is upcoming.
Roland, can I say something?
No. I just wanted his...
A man like Kufuor, you are just trying to say, to say these bad things. It's not fair. MPP fed you, Solomon. MPP put food on your table. MPP put clothes on your clothes.
Let me put it on record. Let me put it on record. I have never enjoyed one single from MPP. Deal quickly with certain matters that Zato has raised. I think Zato doesn't know me, and he has not been in politics for that long. That is my conclusion, especially within the MPP politics, because he says I'm a stomach politician. Let me put it on record that I have never in my life, never taken a single government contract, be it NDC, MPP. I have never done so in my life. I have never worked in the office of Alan Chamanti to even draw salaries. I have never in my life, and I'm putting all these things in perspective so that he understands the person he's dealing with.
Because of what he said?
Because of what he said.
He said you are running down the former president.
I have, and I'm coming there. The former president know about criticism. What is he talking about?
No, but he's a former president.
Oh, please.
Solomon Owusu, former MPP member. Oni MPP no ni 3 eni ne 9. Oni na se, oni na hyase, eni na wiye. Ana all catch Dr. Zato say ase wo no ye ka ba kwa na wa kamienu. Wo ye small boy. E wo MPP policy mu. Owe ne ga say na de ankura na kufuo kan ye ntia se ya wei MPP vo mienu. Ma be hia nya choka ye mode. Ani say bo nana die Donald Akunkufo kan sa na wonim de na ba besi MPP next meeting no akoso na infoni ya eda read nyankopon o ga trends no chese we hu se Afenyo Marcus Alexander Afenyo Marcus sa di no obi se ma Afenyo na wonte ase o pede sa enu ehyen kran Afenyo Marcus oni napo awura nyankopon ano mu free next meeting ya say ba ye be hwe no na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so to aso chama wuntumi ana chama muni na chama bia chama fantastic kwati chama bronye eso ka obi na oni MPP mpenifo ni bidi nkomo seram sa okay o ase bia ye confuse ampa de kufo ka no maso ya akọ madwen ya ba ma mouth cam ma eyes cam ma ears to cam ndi man frɛ kufo oluma man frɛ na madam kobi yesenka penidie matemante na nka penisu dware wie na nka nsu asa enti penisa wo fie na mo mama na nka yewi na nka yi yenkobu na nka wefo nka nka wo bia na mo frɛ abronye as MPP executive wa ma owie sakot na ohia TV ono a na channel wo bi o YouTube every no the evidence twabo mo ka kire mo say mutima frɛ na ma ono chama abronye abepie munimu a ene mo nko back na mo nko first we na mo a MP edi ma hia so say ne comment na o mekiti Bawumia say enkremoni outside srimni entimi ni ade as a president or the MPP money ye mo nka nka che no ntwensan mo frɛ no me ya no mo ntimi frɛ no ano Bawumia ai e friends abronye mo frɛ ye but move you important meeting no next meeting no abronye kan we abronye so am pie every day ono nko a ono chama wuntumi for the first time in history chama wuntumi ayemre bom de untumi nkasa after say you ku 14 wa edi na no elem but still and taking the fast say enim say chama wuntumi na yese eyeden ya obeboa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia amana be the flag bearer for the MPP or the kakra wonye na ogodu mu nyina no beboa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia yenim se abronye die odi kanadie okompra ko ahina Japan atem no odi no wuntumi FM eso Kennedy be ai chama wuntumi pa acho pastor obeto aso bi di atento se ogo create on one channel ene one Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ene chama wuntumi ne nam MPP fro no abronye no wanko moye next meeting no mahu hia say ono abronye de o kana bontia so fa Ghana fo dodo na amunye MPP fo mapase nyansa nim nyansa ba kura nim akwana nyansa wofom na sometimes o modwene ho antia say adenti ana obi te say abronye eye MPP the party of intellectuals original chairman I remember say no kura nti obi fa so kura di bonafo na tem say matese o mo so ye chairman e de makro bi e region bi wo no ha bonafo ye no ha abronye uwada froma you cause am yes ye no ha fo tese kwan wa na akra ni India kwan wa Ghana for do se nya India monko akra ni US kwan wa e wan chance nyai Ghana for do se nya US monko but MPP before we nyangopo ni because of abronye aka kire say sunyai ne bono ye kwan wa no wahala ye jetu enti abronye kro ya ma frɛ no say mo ye next meeting mo take important decision for the MPP in future say 2028 e be progressive na motima are groupie are candle more light as have win election Mufra Bronye, Manfred Kufuor. Okay, no problem. Donald Kufuor, Papa, His Excellency, former president. As for much as I old time in the train here. Maybe I do park. Maybe not. What you say? Now, I'm say be to baby na said ye. Ye won him but maybe the park of. Aye. When the say wago, am say wago. The Abronya mo say no mo ma gidishin. E dem the MPP. Now wait. Anna, your papa your friend Dr. Richard Ba or can the founding member at the MPP or say a political scientist and then or say a part of the leading members of the NPP. Papa say Nyankupu say nkan nokre. MPP as it stands now. Omu look like jokers. Or say one for the MPP for the whole world. Upe mom where say pa mu nim de omo we as pa MPP for. Or so MPP for we nye as a hey party with men party of intellectual or singing na as a intro. Or say hey onokura no ontimi recognize the MPP na oboma ete no. Imagine say na nka omo ote omo afire ndise fomu abe create a different political party that have the needs of the people at heart. But we would dear as a sikadie nyafu. And I don't find this on the way. I don't American no inti me naked truth in ye. Our old burger trends. Edino that's a back number uno. Maxi billion. Make sure say what subscribe every day now. So why is every day that like 10 notification button on. Let's share my unia in the video. For comment no. At the comment section as John Agyekum Kufuor, the former president, AOD from 2000 to 2008. Or say MP before you not work on it. Or may in the back no. Almost open for again just fine. Ah, dear Kufuor, Gentle Jack, the man with sexy eyes. Papa na did beans at all on the hey, Akomko. MP before say omo dey ba question dey sem. Na papa no say wa regret we no any ya na Solomon no usu. My friend the man of the moment. Or can the movement for change Alan Cash a party no. Na oye MPP ni mapa wa to be their manager Kufuor. O say ye mfanya uyi afei na kese pa. Ye de ba be yo. O say ye dey Paula Fukuru na wada. Ye de ko ye a friend is saying Boachaja akono na wada. Ye de ko ye unua Lancash na wada. Ndia Lancash to dwumadi ase na wanchia na otwamu a na yesa osu ne man ntia. O se ye hypocrite. O ye nyaatwom. Sanka na okasa de MPP. Ana o calling for order enka by now. Na advance party na mesin de. Ejeni say party na wi afi no wa besu faawo. Faawo no ye wan enko man yellow card no. O twie kai. We found a say over 10. I said, va over 10 is how far away. If it's a check, who don't have a good for Kaya, who near papa be as I say, can be mouth. Now, Dr. Zatosu Bufu, Jala, a statement was one in your statement. So there was one in your statement. Me no, you, I, and us in the statement. Mamma am far a ye adjective being the nada amount for. Then no ya no diminye bi. Eh asem na critical. E for comment to comment section as Jonah de Kufuor say MPP atwa na bo. Solomon say omuntwa ne moye. Dua na odua no no wotwa. Aha. Dr. Zato say on tiase Justin Frimpong Kodua the National General Secretary of the MPP say aha Kufuor nyanti o mase no muntwa ne moye but ye ko wi ase no next meeting cause still ya Fred John Agyekum Kufuor. And to uvi say MPP no na we ani because for the first time yate obi a ne yente ne kasa Ghana fo bu no pa ope MPP ne obedi Ghana so a Ghana for that so kind no ewo akomapamu a John Agyekum Kufuor, the man who brought a lot of policies a Ghana fo fi say ebuo mu ye pa. There might be few na man fo nye interested am fo fi say ko extreme am fo fi say bia no kwa ikoye iska wia bakakra na e kai na ye policy na o de bae no Ghana for some enjoy pa. So he is one of the Ghana finest presidents. Oye MPP ni mapa. Oso mo twenabo. MPP was in trouble, but still, at the crow gas here trouble hono. Yasa ko meeting. Yam freno. O comment saying fatu comment section na say subscribe, like it, na share mo nua enye bi hwe. Dino Maxi Billion on Naked Truth Live. Oh, me your old burger trends. Macron. Bye bye.